Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ICRACUS 2021 International Conference on Research and Academic Community Services at Institute of Research and Community Services at Universitas Negeri Surabaya. This is our paper title with design a temporary package storage system using Arduino Mega 25 and 60 base password with us Lukman Medravin Silalahi, Setio Budianto, Freddy Artadima Silaban, Imelda Uli Vistalina Simanjuntak, Agustin Dirohendi, and Gunawan Osman. Our highlight content: the first, we will explain about our abstract. The second, we will explain about our method. The third, we will explain about our result and discussion. And the last, we will discussion about our conclusion. Abstract online shopping is an activity that is carried out between buyers and sellers online and then sent using courier services. The problem is that if the buyer or booker does not receive the package, then the courier will delay the delivery until the package is received. This paper aims to build a secure, privacy, and confidential package storage system consisting of a keypad for password input, a servo motor for opening and closing doors, ultrasonic sensor for detecting incoming goods, SIM 8000L version 2 for SMS message, notification, and Arduino Mega 25 and 60 as the main control of the system. The package materials coated with iron, plastic, wood, paper, glass, and fabric are capable of detection by HC-SR04 proximity sensors. This is our component. We use HC-SR04 sensor that works by emitting waves, then calculate the wave reflection time. The working frequency used in ultrasonic waves varies depending on the medium pass-through, ranging from low density in the gas phase, liquid to solid. And then the figure 2, we use GSM SIM 8000L version 2 module for command that GSM or CDMA modems can provide, such as to send and receive SMS. Figure 3 shows the physical shape of the servo motor, and figure 4 we display our Arduino Mega 25 and 60. Okay. The system consists of two large parts, namely software application using Arduino IDE and hardware that plays a role in the form of servo motors to open door valves, HC-SR04 sensor as detectors of incoming goods, and SIM 8000L version 2 provides information in the form of SMS to mobile home owners. Figure 5 shows the result of the output design, requires several devices, namely LCD, as a component to display the result of password validation that has been entered. Figure 6 indicates the result of the input design, requires a keypad and HC-SR04. The next slide, the result, figure 7, shows the input password. Password used in the form of number from 0 to 9 and alphabetic letters keypad of A, B, C, and D. Figure 8 shows the display when the correct password has been entered through the keypad to open the system door. Figure 9 indicates the display of the input password incorrectly. Detection object. Table above shows that on cardboard, wood, iron, glass, and fabric have good detection response capability by HC-SR04 sensor because it has a flat, straight, and irregular surfaces. Our analysis: all materials have different surfaces but can still be detected well by HC-SR04 sensor if they have certain conditions, such as the surface position of the goods widening and expanding, so that the transmitter on the HC-SR04 can send the signal to the goods to be reflected can be done well, and the receiver on the HC-SR04 sensor can receive signal reflection from the transmitter well. The next slide, table above, shows that the HC-SR04 proximity sensor contained in the package storage system has a minimum distance of 10 cm. Our analysis, the sensor performance in detecting item that cover the sensor visibility is in good way detecting the item at a set distance. Conclusion. Based on the result of the design, it can be concluded as follows. Password that can be set is with the amount of 1 to 8 digits in the input password. The keypad has a delay of 100 seconds in filling every 1 digit of the input password so that no errors and the damage to the keypad occur. The second, with the rule of minimum limit value of 10 cm distance in the HC-SR04 sensor visibility that can be read as far as 10 cm to 2 cm, visibility 12 cm or the rest and 1 cm to 0 cm sensor is not able to detect incoming goods regardless of the type of material. Packaged good material coated by iron, plastic, wood, paper, glass, and fabric are capable of detection by HC-SR04 proximity sensors. This is our references. Our acknowledgement, the first special thanks to Mercu Buana University which has supported in the domestic collaborative research, and the second to Lembaga Ilmu Pengetahuan Indonesia and Universitas Muhammad Husni Tamrin for assistance and cooperation during the research. Hopefully there will always be papers in future research. Thank you. Digital Advance Wireless Communication, connecting people.